Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Core Web Vitals with Lighthouse detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what Core Web Vitals are. These metrics help assess the user experience on your website. Familiarize yourself with the three main components, LCP, FID, and CLS. LCP stands for Largest Contentful Paint, measuring loading performance. FID refers to first input delay, quantifying interactivity. CLS, or Cumulative Layout Shift, gauges visual stability. Now, let's move on to using Lighthouse for configuration. Lighthouse is a powerful, automated tool integrated into Chrome DevTools. Open Google Chrome and navigate to the website you want to analyze. Right-click on the page and select Inspect to open DevTools. In the DevTools panel, locate the Lighthouse tab. Ensure you're on the correct tab before running the audit. Select the type of report you need, typically performance is ideal. Click the Generate Report button to start the audit. Wait for Lighthouse to complete the analysis. Once finished, you'll see a detailed report with scores and insights. Identify the Core Web Vitals section in the report. Here, review the scores for LCP, FID, and CLS. Each score will indicate if your website meets Google's thresholds. If any scores are below recommendation, examine the suggestions provided. Focus on the specific metrics that need improvement. For LCP, consider optimizing images and server response times. For FID, analyze JavaScript execution times. For CLS, ensure your page elements have reserved space to prevent shifts. Implement the recommended changes on your website. Once you've made adjustments, run Lighthouse again to measure improvements. Compare the new scores with your previous results for insights. Continue optimizing until your scores are in an acceptable range. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.